Hi, I'm Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach. I got to ask this question. If I view someone's LinkedIn profile and I don't have a LinkedIn profile and I'm logged into Gmail and I'm using Google, what will the system tell that LinkedIn member? I know the answer to this question. I'll show you the research I did, but before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button because I create all of this content for you. So here's a profile, Reva Adams in Poolsville, Maryland. And I'm viewing her profile right now, logged into LinkedIn. And you can see when I look at LinkedIn, I look at my settings and privacy, I'm not hiding. Let's go to visibility. Let's go to profile viewing options. And you can see right here, I'm not hiding. Now I can hide behind a characteristic. Maybe it'll say someone at Burriss Consulting or in industry, or I can be totally private, but I don't do that. I don't hide. Now, when I looked at this lady's LinkedIn profile, let me show you what she got. Let me go to her computer. Give me a second. This is what she gets. Who viewed her profile? I viewed it 2 minutes ago. That's what she sees. Now let's go back and look at another scenario. Give me a second. All right, so I'm on LinkedIn. I'm not logged in. You can see it says sign in. I'm on LinkedIn.com. I'm on my Gmail account, teddyburriss@gmail.com. You can see I logged in over here. But check this out. At LinkedIn.com, I can click on people, and I can go here and I can search for Reva Smith. Oh, Reva Adams. And there she is right there. I bring her profile up. I'm looking at her profile on LinkedIn, but I'm not signed in. Now, let me wait a few minutes. Give me a second. I'll come back to you in a few minutes. I'm going to refresh this on her computer. And the last one was Teddy Burriss, still 2 minutes ago. It does not show. Let me go back to that other computer. Give me a second. It does not show that teddyburriss@gmail.com looked at her profile because I'm not logged in LinkedIn. I'll give you one more example. Give me a second. Here's another account. I'm logged in over here, and Gmail is ncwiseman@teddyburriss.com. I'm going to do a site search for Reva Adams in Poolsville, Maryland. I'm going to hit enter. Look, there's her profile right there. I'm going to click on it. It brings it up in LinkedIn, tells me I'm signed out. It wants me to sign in, but I'm not going to. I'm looking at her LinkedIn profile. Give me a moment here. Let me go do and look and see what she sees again. Here's her computer. Here's what she sees. Hit refresh. Again, all she sees is that Teddy Burriss, who was logged in at the time, looked at her profile. It gives her no other information about anybody else who viewed her LinkedIn profile. Here's the bottom line answer to this question. The only data that shows up under who's viewed your profile is when other LinkedIn members who are signed into LinkedIn, logged into their account, it's going to tell her either that person looked at her profile, if that person's not hiding. If someone is hiding, it may say someone working at this company, someone who went to this school, someone who worked in this industry may be viewing her profile only if those people are logged in LinkedIn. Or the third option, it might say an anonymous viewer on LinkedIn looked at her profile. But no data is sent to the LinkedIn member that anybody viewed her LinkedIn profile from any other source unless they are logged into LinkedIn. However, know this, the LinkedIn system is keeping track of when her profile shows up and maybe other data about, what type of web browser, what type of country or region, et cetera, but that data is not forwarded to the LinkedIn member. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope that's helpful for you.